Hello guys, today this is Numberblocks Natural Disaster Part 5. Alright, this is a 8 cube, like 2 by 2 and 2 fours. 7 is a 5 number, 6 is tall and long, 2 by 3, 3 by 2. Prime number. Ooh, it's a 1. Alright, the first one will be 1. Oh, do you want to play Numberblocks Natural Disaster?
Austin, I'm coming soon. I just want to play the stay in the circle, Austin.
Oh my god, miss.
Time to play ball.
Gosh, 3. This is bad. Wait a second. 3 and 1. Are you kidding me? Gosh, wait a second. What the? Why there's an R here? Alphabet lower? Who is turning to?
We have to survive everything we can. Let's work it out.
Oh, this. I can't get it. Come on, we can do this. This block ship. Come on, guys, we're going to the block ship. Yeah, ship time. Yay!
Numberblocks.
Oh, Numberblock 6, Numberblock 3, and Numberblock 1. What? This guy? Oh, there's a Numberblock 10 there. But why did Numberblock 10 is upside down?
What is it?
Numberblock 5 is a pirate ship. Sorry for Numberblock 10. Numberblock 10 is fell into the water. Lol. Come on! Seeing in the turn to the meteor shower! Abandoned ship! Ah! Come on, abandoned ship! Uh-oh, I can't get out. Abandoned ship! Abandoned ship! Ah! What's up, guys? It's me, too. Today I'm playing the Natural Disaster Survival, and one is gone low. Oh, I did climb the ladder. This one is alphabet letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, and Z. I can. See? You can play.
And then you.
What is the numbers?
Soon, Austin.
Oh, oops, I got a garbage. I'm going to murder now.
Austin, what? I want to be squarey.
What the hell, not squarey? Every time you made squarey. Every time you made squarey.
Austin?
Oh, hi, squarey. Come on.
What are you, Austin?
I'm 2. How do you do?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Squarey.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Rocky Tower. Whoa, it's
Why does a 100 here? OMG 100! Yes! Come on, guys, we're going to the block tower. What's happening? Big Tom? What's happening? I don't know. P? P? Why do you say P? I guess we're going to... Oh, what happened to this? Oh no, I guess we're going to die. We're almost getting to die and... Thunderstorm. Are you kidding me? I'm scared. Okay, time to reset now. Whoa, wow.
We survive.
I want to use 3.
I want to be squarey again.
Are you kidding me?
Ah,
Square Club? Yay! Square Club!
I want to be 4. That means
Woohoo! We go to the Square Club! Woo!
I love square clubs.
1,
I don't want to
4,
go to another store.
9. 9.
There's my picture in it, Austin.
Oh my god, that's 4. 25, 100. No, I'm not 4. Look, 16, a really big square.
Are you in
100 is a massive square.
Club?
Yeah, we will Square Club Party. A Square Club Party. That's a square. Let's play tag.
Austin, just hold on. Why are you taking all the damage? What's going on?
I don't know. Oh, hi, Sabrine.
Austin,
wait.
can you look outside?
What is that?
A volcano!
What is it?
Can you look
Behind.
outside?
Volcano! Correction! Get away, you stupid volcano! Oh, no! We're going to die! What happened to the Square Club? My fault.
I fell into the ocean!
Why are you falling into the ocean, lol?
What is this?
Oh, hi, old number block 1. Oh my goodness!
There's no time to waste. Here you go.
What house?
Yes, I got my house! Hooray!
Come on, let's go! Come on, 66! Yeah! We're going to the number. There you go.
There's a Lego lot one.
You're the only one you can't do it. I'm sorry.
But I'm just
Oh, there you go.
I'm the different one. You see my color, Austin? Where are you? Are you outside? Come in.
Oh.
Where are you? You just died.
What the? Did you just push 1?
Oh no. That's right. My step.
Meteor shower. Oh, come on, you gotta be. I 5. Number 5. I am 5, and I feel alive. Wait.
Austin, where are you, Austin?
Ooh, it's a meteor shower.
Austin, are you number 5? Where are you?
Oh my goodness!
There you are. I wonder.
Oh my shit! What happened to the tree?
One by one. Hey!
Oh, another
You
fight.
one by one?
No, I'm only using 5.
You're with me more. Austin, I'm following you. I'm moving one by one, Austin.
Do you want to attack with me?
Of course.
Yahoo! Please don't tag me. Please don't tag me. Please
Where did I go?
don't tag me.
No.
What are you doing?
Nothing. I went to I guess I'll stay here and. Ooh.
I I think it's just four survivors here.
Austin, just come here, Austin. I can't see.
I can see too. Wow. Oh, there we go. Oops, I bored it. Pew. Tag, you're it. Tag, you're it. Pattern Palace. Let's go to the Pattern Palace. It's like it. Wow, I like Pattern Palace. Let's go into the Pattern Palace.
Okay, let's go. I'm scared.
Let's go.
Austin, where are you? Are you one by one?
What the? Ow! I guess I died. Lol. Alright, I want to use 6 now.
I want to use one by one now.
I want to use 6,
Austin,
but
please.
long.
Okay.
Yay! I like Pattern Palace!
Again?
Come on! Let's go to the Pattern Palace! Let's go to the Pattern Palace. Seven, you're bigger than me.
I said there is 6.
I'm not 6.
Are you?
Achoo!
You're 9? 9.
I'm not 9.
9. Then why are you achieving? I said you were 6.
Guys, let's see outside now.
You're in.
Uh-oh, it's a volcano.
Uh-oh.
I guess we're going. A volcano. Oh.